Alright, just got back from doing a little test and tune on the Dragster. Yeah, actually just did it in the parking lot after work. Lots of concrete there, so had plenty of room. Anyway, for some of my viewers that don't know, yes, me and my son used to RC drag race a lot. But we did it on a prep track. We were running foam tires, the prep was either, if you didn't have the money to buy the prep that like the NHRA uses, then you used a heavy sugar water, even orange soda, stuff like that. Get the track really sticky. Then you would put some stuff on the foam tires that reminded you of the STP additive, oil additive, where you turned it up and it took about 30 minutes to get out of the can, Well, those days are kind of gone, I guess. When RC drag racing kind of died out around here, we just kind of put them up. But I was experimenting with them a little bit when I was running F1. I made some mounts to mount F1 tires on it and was tinkering with it. Never really got it to work right though. But anyway, fast forward about 7-8 years, and I got them out just to tinker with them because the guy at work wanted me to bring them up to work and show him. So anyway, had to get them out and get them running again. And anyway, I was looking around online and I found out Greg, the guy that was running our races there at the end, he was running some races now, but they're doing it in no prep. And I go, okay, what are they running tires and stuff? And I got to looking, well, they've got a new set of tires out, new chassis and stuff. And it's basically mimicking the Street Outlaws like you see on TV is what they're kind of running. So anyway, me and Corey broke out the cars. Y'all seen that in our last video. But that was only a 66-foot track. Normally they run a 132-foot track. But anyway, today I was doing some test and tuning and getting this thing all tuned up because I had to rebuild the carburetor and stuff. And it wasn't running very good last weekend. Now it's running pretty good now. But it's an OS Max CV motor, a 0.12. Pretty small motor in most RCs today, but it's all custom built, direct drive, and wanted to see if it was slipping the tires or anything on takeoff. So I figured out how to do the super slow motion on my camera, on my phone. I could never get it right. I was testing with it, and finally today I got it figured out. So we got some slow motion footage of takeoffs on it. And you got to realize this is a stock 1.2 motor. It's got a stock clutch on it. I'm only running 20% nitro. So it doesn't have a lot of power, but it does get up and move pretty quick. So after today's testing and tuning, I figured out, okay, we're gonna get us a stall clutch to put in this thing to get the RPMs up so it'll get up on a power band quicker. And I'm gonna move up to 30% nitro. So we'll see how that goes here in a couple weeks. Got to figure out what clutch I need to get. And then you get that installed, get it tuned up, and we're gonna go try to do a little more racing with Greg. He's over at Mike's Hobby Shops on Saturdays, I think once a month on Saturday. So we'll get that figured out when he's actually going to be over there. But anyway, here's some slow motion footage of the takeoffs. All right, we got the vet too. Now the vet was the first ones I put the rubber tires on to tinker with, and they work pretty good. This has got the same motor in it as that, and same clutch, everything. But I think I'm gonna leave this one just as it is. I'm not gonna try to make it go any faster. I like how it goes. It's quick enough. But we also gonna have a little bit of slow motion footage of it too. So, all right. All right. Well, we're gonna get some parts ordered and stuff, and get all this going. And in the meantime, we'll try to do some more shooting. I got a cowboy shooting match coming up next weekend. So, all right. Thanks for watching.